guys, today we're going to be making a slime tutorial and we hope you enjoy.
Glue.
What you'll be needing is glue,
PVA,
borax,
food colouring, and lotion.
food colouring and lotion.
And also your mixing tools. Someone can use this if you want, Austin. Oh no, that's too small. Do you want it?
Yeah, just...
So guys, we're just going to our mixing tools.
Mine's a spoon.
I need to find another spoon.
How do you make 1 red and 2 yellow?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you make it fun.
I need 1 red.
So let's get started. So first of all, guys, uncap your lids if you have lids.
Actually, I'm
And
making 2.
uncap your lids to your glue. Hi channel.
I'm making 2.
I'm making probably heaps of seconds.
I can't make them.
You can't. Oh shit! I almost got glue on me. Sorry guys for my language again.
Do I need to use all of it or not?
No, you don't have to. It depends how many slimes you want to make.
I want to make heaps. Just kidding. How many do you want to make? We're making 1.
And you can add water to make it like better or bigger.
Does it depend on the size?
What?
Does it depend on the size you want it?
No. Sometimes it grows. It depends how much things you put in.
Can you tell me when?
It's up to you how much you want to put in.
Okay.
So, you add your glue first.
That's enough.
Ew, you're so gross, Ella.
You get so messy when it comes to slime.
No, I don't actually.
I'll tell you.
So sometimes it makes it better if you mix it at first.
Stop. Austin, you need to stop.
He doesn't have to. It's how much he wants. You don't know how to make slime, do you? So guys, I was just comment down below what our fandom name should be instead of calling you guys. So if you want to, you can add water.
I want to add water.
Without anything.
Did you add water into the orange
Nothing
one?
in it.
Yes.
Can I add water?
Do you want to add water or not?
Which one's better?
What does it mean if you add
Water makes it stretchier.
Okay. I'll add water.
Mix them all in.
Yeah.
Okay, go add water with Ella. Then I'm adding my lotion.
Just that much?
Yeah, that's fine. So if you want to even stretch, you add lotion. And I'm adding lotion.
I'm adding lotion.
Everyone adds lotion. Okay, so now I'm adding lotion. Hashtag not sponsored. I'm adding that much. I'll put as much as you need. You can do this.
I only need 2 steps.
I'm gonna make purple, which
Yes,
is 3 red, 1 blue. I'm making purple and I might make other colours.
Could you do my purple after?
Depends how purple you want it.
Can I do mine?
I'll just have the same.
Yeah.
One
What
red
colour
and
do you want,
yellow.
Austin?
I'll have red.
Okay. Oops, that was a bit too much. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Mix that in and see if that's the colour you need.
Then you go.
Or do you want it darker so it's more red?
Yeah, because it's pink. Mix it.
What if you make it rainbow?
It'll go brown.
Ooh.
Check out this purple.
That's actually pretty nice. My slime's turning out
This is going good.
nice. Ooh, guys.
I like this purple.
Sorry about the noise, guys.
We'll put you. Oh my god, I love this bright purple. Bright purple is my favourite colour. This one's like lilac.
This is mine.
Mine still looks purple.
Okay, guys, mine's ready to add the borax. Is anybody else ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right, so you only need a spoon at a time. You guys can help yourself.
I don't have a spoon.
No, the spoon is there.
Do you only need one spoon?
One spoon at a time because it activates really fast. Especially with this one. Mine's still pretty liquidy, so.
My turn.
And you need to mesh